Hi, this is Tech for us, T for you. I'm Akari taking you through today's video. Today, I want to show you a powerful Windows shortcut that will seriously upgrade how you copy and paste on your PC. Now, here's what we're going to do. Let's say I'm working on a quick report and I'm pulling information from different websites. Maybe some text from an article, then some definitions from a blog, and probably a quote in a PDF. Normally you'd have to switch between different tabs or different softwares to do the copy and paste. And then if you forget to paste one thing, it's gone. You have to go back and then copy it again. There's a fix for that. Let me show you an example. I'm going to copy this text. And then naturally, I would have to go back to, let's say, a text editor and then paste it. And then go back to wherever I want to copy text next, copy and then paste. But today we're going to copy everything at once. So copy, and then let's pick these ones as well. So instead of copying and pasting things one at a time, we've copied up to 3 different things and we're going to paste all of them without losing a single thing. Now, naturally, when you right click and paste, it's going to bring up the last thing you copied. We're not going to use this option and we're not going to press Ctrl plus V. We're going to press Windows key plus V. This brings up the clipboard history, which contains everything you copied. If I had copied more things, you would have seen them here. And so these are the 3 things I just copied. You can see that they have been shortened. But then when you click on one, this is the first thing I copied. I'm going to click on it to paste. Click. Everything is here. Now, use the same process to paste the rest of the things you copied. Windows key plus V. Click. It has pasted it. And then for the last thing I copied, Windows key plus V. Click. And here it is. Isn't this beautiful? I've been able to copy and paste more than one text at a time. Thank you for being here today. If you liked this video, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more content.